So today we have the PWS720-1H2 KVM with cables. Let's open it up and take a look. I like how KVMs are now a consumer opportunity, because back in the day in IT, the only people that needed KVMs were like server rooms, right? But now with technology being so cheap, everyone has so many screens and so many computers on Raspberry Pis and micro Windows 10 on ARM, and we need KVMs at home. So the answer, that's right, the question is, what's the best KVM? And I've reviewed a bunch of these PWAY, and they are pretty good. And they do play nicely with other technologies in your stack. So here's your beast. Let the reveal be sacred. So 2.0, keyboard and mouse, up. USB 2.0, if you have some other stuff, like if you want to switch a USB hub, which I wouldn't recommend, because you know how in Windows you got to safely remove your SD cards or USB hubs. You can corrupt information, especially if it's transferring or whatnot, so don't use USB hubs here. So in the back here, you have several HDMI ports. It's powered with a 5-volt USB micro cable, and you have some USB Bs to with the cables. Those got to be included for sure. Let's take a look at what they give you. So hold on. First of all, does it say what type of the 1080p? What do you give us, my friend? KVM switch. What do you give us? All right. So it gives 4K and 2K. For those that don't know, 2K is 1080p. It's not, 2K sports. HDCP 1.2. I mean, I believe we're now up to like 2.2. So I'm not sure if that's going to cause any streaming issues or Netflix or any of that. But I mean, depends on your use case for this device. 1.4. Okay. So not 2.1. But, and 4K at 30 hertz. Okay. Scroll lock 1 and 2. Interesting. Yeah, that's an ideal configuration. You have 2 screens, you have 2 different computers. In a perfect world, you can get away with 1 computer. Sometimes that's not always the situation. Myself, for example, I have a Mac and a Windows computer that I need to do development on, so I need to toggle between those. So this is perfect. And the boatload of cables. You get some 1.4 HDMI cables. You get 2. You get your USB-B cables. Okay. Oh, sorry, you get 3. You get 4. Okay. Right. Okay. Your power and non-slips, just in case you have it on a tabletop. But yeah, the current PWAY that I play with when this video is over is 4K and 60 hertz, and it's been working really nicely, and it's strong, not causing any issues to date. So I can recommend these guys. They're pretty good, never an issue. Price is okay. I mean, you pay a little bit more for something that's reliable. Not as stylish and sleek as like some things could be, but at the end of the day, if you just want it to work perfectly for a reasonable price, this could be it. So I hope you guys like that quick look unboxing review at this 4K HDMI KVM splitter switch, and I hope you all have a great day.